In this video, you are going to see how to insert a YouTube video in Google Slides, as you can see here. Let's get started. Let us go to Insert and click on Video. I can search a video on YouTube or I can paste a URL. Let us go to my channel. Here in my channel, suppose I want to share this video. Click on this three dot, click on Share. Now let us copy this link and go to Google Slides and let us paste the URL over here and click on Enter. Then here is the video. Click on over here and click on Insert. Then the video will be inserted. In this video, if you want to increase the size, you can increase it very easily. Let us close it. If I click on over here, the video will be playing. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.